How can my business participate in the Direct Install program? Contact us. Give us a call at 866-NJ-SMART to learn more about this offer. We'll refer you to the participating contractor serving your region to schedule an energy assessment, or if you prefer, you can contact the contractor right away to get started. After the energy assessment, the contractor will review the results with you, including what measures qualify and your share of the project cost. Next, you'll sign a scope of work document to proceed with the implementation of qualifying measures and arrange for payment of your portion of the project costs with your contractor. Then you and your contractor will set a convenient start date for the installation. Once the participating contractor completes the installation, you accept the work by signing a project completion form. And you complete the transaction by paying the participating contractor any remaining balance of your share of the project cost, and New Jersey's Clean Energy Program pays the rest. So go ahead and give us a call at 866-NJ-SMART to learn more. How can my company participate in the Direct Install program as a contractor? In order to participate in the Direct Install program as a participating contractor, your company would have to respond to the open and competitive RFP evaluation process utilized to determine the program's participating contractors, which has been closed since June 17, 2016. At this time, the bidding process is closed and the program's participating contractors have been determined. The current contracts are set to expire on June 30, 2018, with the potential of a one-year extension. However, if you have an applicant who wishes to utilize your firm's services within the Direct Install program, please see the link below for the available path and process. In the Direct Install program, where do the funds come from? Program funding is derived from ratepayer contributions, which are collected by the participating utilities through the Societal Benefits Charge, or SBC, on each utility bill. Can I use my own contractor in the Direct Install program? If you as an applicant wish to use your own pre-existing contractor rather than the pre-selected regional contractor for your area, you need to contact the program manager and provide clarification on your existing relationship with the contractor. For the purpose of the Direct Install program, a pre-existing contractor relationship is defined as a contractor that has performed an energy efficiency upgrade in one or more of your facilities within the last 24 months. If that is your situation, contact the program manager, who will then work with your contractor to confirm the following requirements are met: that all the program's bid requirements are met, that the contractor agrees to the program's set pricing, that the contractor participates in program training provided by the program manager, and that the contractor signs the Direct Install program subcontractor agreement. If all these requirements are met, the contractor will be allowed to participate in the program. If your contractor is unable to meet these requirements, you'll be given the option to proceed in the Direct Install program using an approved contractor from your specific geographic area, or to continue with your contractor outside of the Direct Install program, but with the option to access other available New Jersey Clean Energy programs. A contractor participating in the program through this path will be allowed to submit a project or projects up to $125,000 maximum in contractor allocation per fiscal year. The program will allocate $1.25 million maximum in contractor allocation out of the program's total incentive budget as a maximum per fiscal year for contractors participating in the program through this path. The Commercial and Industrial Program Administration reserves the right to amend these maximum contractor allocation amounts at any time and/or reallocate this funding based on the performance of the program. I just installed some measures on my own. Can I still get Direct Install incentives for that? Not within the Direct Install program, as all of the measures must be pre-approved. Please investigate the New Jersey Smart Start Buildings program, as this program only requires pre-approval for lighting and custom projects. Can I add additional lighting or cooling or heat to my existing building? No. The Direct Install program offers incentives for a one-for-one retrofit or replacement of existing light equipment. What approved measures can be installed through the Direct Install program? The Direct Install program eligible measure listing includes 7 major categories: lighting, electric HVAC for cooling, natural gas, oil, or propane HVAC for heating, variable frequency drives, premium motors, HVAC and hot water controls, and refrigeration. Under lighting, DLC qualified LED luminaires including LED linear tube replacements, ENERGY STAR approved LED screw-in lamps, T8 fixture replacements and retrofits, T5 fixture replacements, CFL screw-in lamps, LED exit signs and retrofits, and lighting controls including occupancy, photocell, and time clock. Under HVAC for electric cooling, up to 25-ton packaged unitary units, up to 7.5-ton electric split systems, ductless allowed, and up to 15 tons heat pumps, air or water source. Under HVAC, natural gas, oil, or propane heating, low-intensity IR heaters, gas only, furnaces up to 140 MBH, boilers up to 1,500 MBH. For K-12 schools, a series boiler approach is allowed for boilers up to 3,000 MBH. Oil-to-gas conversions are allowed for furnaces and boilers only, water heaters, storage or tankless, combo boiler water heaters, and indirect water heaters. Under variable frequency drives, up to 10 horsepower controlled, existing VAV in HVAC systems. And investigating HVAC constant volume solutions is also on the list. For premium motors, TEFC and ODP motors up to 10 horsepower. For HVAC and hot water controls, dual enthalpy economizers, electronic fuel use economizers for hot water heat, steam heat, forced hot air, and air conditioning. Programmable thermostats, outdoor temperature sensors and outdoor resets for boilers, demand control ventilation, pipe wrap insulation, faucet aerators, low-flow shower heads, and pre-rinse spray valves. LED lighting for refrigerated or freezer cases, electronically commutated motors, evaporator or compressor controllers, cooler or freezer door heater controls, aluminum night covers, electric defrost controls, novelty cooler shutoff, refrigerated vending machine controls, and LED lighting for refrigerated case doors. In the Direct Install program, can we have multiple facilities serviced at the same time? Yes, if an owner has multiple facilities which qualify for the program, DI projects can be developed and submitted at the same time as compared to one at a time. If I'm only responsible for 30% of the total project cost, who is paying for the remaining 70%? This is paid for by the New Jersey Clean Energy Program. Our business had a bad experience with third-party energy suppliers. Is this program going to make me change to another energy supplier? No, the Direct Install program is not going to make you change to another energy supplier. Why do some measures qualify and others don't? For example, on my project, why did one 5-ton package unit qualify and the other unit didn't? The program utilizes an Energy Assessment Tool, or EAT, which cost-effectively tests each project to ensure that the program remains cost-effective. When the tool encounters a piece of equipment within a project which it deems not cost-effective, that measure will drop out of the incentive consideration, so that the remaining project and proposed measures pass and are allowed to be installed with the 70% incentive. Why does low usage make projects or measures not qualify? Proposed project savings must be supported by the facility's utility consumption. If a facility has very low utilization, development of comprehensive projects becomes difficult. Why do the costs go up so dramatically when a project hits the prevailing wage threshold? Please visit the website for the New Jersey Department of Labor and Workforce Development for further information. The New Jersey Prevailing Wage Act is a law and must be followed when participating in the New Jersey Clean Energy Program. How long does the entire process usually take? The entire Direct Install program process takes approximately 3 to 6 months from the application submittal to complete equipment implementation. When exactly am I responsible for the 30% payment? Each direct install participating contractor is a bit different. Please work with your contractor to develop the payment terms. Why does my project have to be comprehensive if I just want a lighting project or mechanicals only? The direct install program strives for project comprehensiveness. This program is intended to provide a package of cost-effective solutions to small to mid-sized commercial and industrial facilities. There are other programs under the New Jersey Clean Energy Program portfolio which allow lighting-only or HVAC-only projects. How long is the warranty on the work? The direct install participating contractor will provide all information with regard to equipment and labor warranties. Can I speak with other business owners whom you've worked with on this program? Absolutely. The New Jersey Clean Energy Program website provides a listing of past program participants. So in the direct install program, it doesn't cost me anything to do the audit? And if I do the audit, am I committed to do the work? The energy assessment for this program is free, and you're not committed to proceed with any implementation. How are the projected savings calculated? All project and program savings are calculated by the program's energy assessment tool in accordance with the NJCEP protocols to measure resource savings. How long does the approval process take, and what is involved? The program's approval process takes approximately 1 to 2 weeks. Within this time, the program manager will review the project submittal for completeness and program compliance, determine if an inspection is required or not, and then approve the project by sending a formal program approval letter to the program's contractor. Am I allowed to keep my old lights and HVAC units? No. The program requires that the program contractor properly dispose and recycle removed project equipment, which may be validated from time to time as a form of program quality assurance and quality control. Do I, the customer, have to pay 100% of the cost and wait for the incentive money? No. The program covers 70% of the total project costs as captured and presented in the program scope of work. The applicant is responsible for the remaining 30% costs directly to the program contractor. Can I participate in the program again to replace my remaining equipment? Yes. An applicant can resubmit in the following fiscal year to address any remaining equipment as long as the project is deemed cost-effective. If we've already upgraded the mechanical, can we do lighting only? Or by the same token, can we just upgrade mechanical if we've upgraded the lighting or have very little lighting? In both of these instances, yes. If you've already upgraded the mechanical, you can do lighting only, or you can just upgrade the mechanical if you've already upgraded the lighting or have very little lighting. Is the $250,000 incentive cap based on the physical name of a company such as Dunkin' Donuts or Burger King, or the name on the utility bill? For example, if it's a Dunkin' Donuts but the bill says John Smith Enterprises, is this included in the $250,000 cap? The entity cap is enforced based on the applicant's tax ID number, which is provided on the application and participation agreement.